Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to check your hard drive for errors in Windows 10. This method applies for earlier version of Windows as well. I'm going to solve this problem guys. Go to search menu and type this PC or computer. You can search it this PC or computer, open it. Select your main local drive. I have local disk C. Right click on it, properties, minimizing this, go to properties and go to tools, and error checking. This option will check the drive, the file system error, check it. Scan drive, you can keep using the drive during the scan. If error are found, you can decide if you want to fix them. If you got any error, you can easily find them in YouTube. Other video can solve it. That's the method is easy for you. Your drive was successfully scanned. Windows successfully scanned the drive. No errors were found. If you have any errors, you can see show details. Click on this information over here, I button. Double click on it, and here is the details about your disk. Guys, general details and details. Can find any problems over here and close it. That's it for today's video guys. Hope you like it. Thanks for watching my video guys. Give me a thumbs up and thank you for watching it.